this? Like, who?
Oh, bitch.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So Worldofzach, and I'm back with another video. If you guys like this channel, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Like my channel all the time. Ooh, I'm dry, sis. Hi, welcome back to my channel. It's Worldofzach here. Really quick, but really quick. I just want everybody to know that even though I'm doing the whole YouTuber thing where I'm like, the top side is like cute for a video, but even down here, I'm color coordinated. Do y'all see this? This is an outfit. It's not.
It's not really an outfit, but the colors are mood, a moment, a vibe, and I'm here for it.
So you already like the outfit and everything. You think it's cute as popping. Like you're here for it. It's the moment. The colors and everything. You're here. You know, so go ahead and like it. Thumbs it up. Make sure notifications are on. Make sure you're subscribed. Okay, now let's get to the video. So I'm super excited to film this video today because it's a foundation review. And the last one I did was a cute coin. I mean, she was a good foundation, but she was the 50 balls. 50 balls. We ain't all got 50 balls. I ain't got 50 balls to spend on the foundation, but that one is just, I had to. So hopefully this one works out and replaces that one, because I use it every day almost, and it's gonna run out. I ain't trying to spend $50 again. But anyway, so this foundation is the Maybelline Super Stay Full Coverage Foundation. 24-hour wear foundation. I got it in the shade 360 Mocha. 360 Mocha has been my shade in the Maybelline foundation, which is actually the first foundation that I ever tried on my skin or whatever, you know. So go ahead and get into the specs of the foundation before I put it on. The benefits, it says beyond professional makeup artist, blah blah, 24-hour foundation, saturated color pigments, it's lightweight yet high impact coverage, formula glides onto the skin for a flawless makeup finish that lasts all day long. It's oil free, it doesn't clog pores, and it's dermatologist tested, so it shouldn't be working you out or whatever, so you can have good skin with it. Make sure your skincare regimen is on point also, because that if you have bad skin, you can't blame the foundation, sis. I'm just gonna say that. So the foundation comes in 16 shades. Okay, drugstore, let's see. All right. Okay, so for far as deeper shades, there's about 4 or 5 that will work for deep skin tones and stuff. And it seems like they kind of have different undertones, which is cool, because I usually go for the darkest in all the foundations. I have never seen them do truffle before. So the lightest shade they have is fair porcelain. The darkest shade is in the shade truffle, which I've never really seen truffle, but because usually I use Mocha, which is the one I grabbed today, and 360 Mocha. Truffle is 362. Mocha seems to have more of a warm undertone to it. Let's see if it gets specs on the color. So on the site, so if you're buying it online on the site, it doesn't really tell you the undertones or anything like that. You kind of base it off of whatever. I didn't go with truffle because truffle seemed like she was gonna be a little bit too cool for the kids. Like she didn't want to be bothered. You know, she was gonna sit there in her cool lane. So I'm like, sis, you can stay there. I don't want to be cool all the time. I like a little warmth. Okay, a little warmth, a little sun kiss. Yes. So I went with Mocha. So I'm gonna start by priming my skin with the OG Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser. This is like, I think, a pretty sure OG primer. I decided to go with this primer because one, is a Maybelline product, so like, duh. But I do remember using this product before when I used to use the other Maybelline foundation, and just wanted to get a foundation a fair shot and use something with a line, because usually whenever you use something from the brand, it kind of works a little bit better because it's the brand. So just saying, why would they not want you to use that stuff? So I just gotta use that, you know what I'm saying? Hold up, I don't think y'all understand. When you take the cap off, you gotta pump. You get a pump. Maybelline, who at Maybelline Labs started this? Like, who at Maybelline Labs is like, you know what, we're gonna finally do this. Like, we're gonna get our stuff together and we're gonna really like, who at Maybelline Labs is like, you know what, we're gonna do something that the girls don't do. We're gonna do something the kids don't know about. We're gonna do something the kids don't expect us to do. A cute pump, but let's see if she work on the first squirt or the second or the third one. So I'm, okay, she squirted. So the product came out of the squirter. Okay, she came out finally. I'm gonna do like, I'm gonna try 2 squirts. Let's see. All right, the color, is this color the light? The coverage. Oh bitch. Oh bitch. Wait, let's go. Oh Maybelline. Maybelline didn't have to snap like this. Okay, I'm just... So I think that once the color's done showing out, being a little bit extra, she oxidizes, she chills a little bit. I think she kind of matches me. This is, yes. This, oh my God. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? This is with the foundation. This is without the foundation. The coverage is beautiful. My skin looks... I mean, my skin look real cute. My skin look real cute, okay? It feels matte, but not drying, but not necessarily matte, because you can still see like that little glow radiance that it's giving. It looks super, super pretty. It looks natural. It looks like my skin is pulling like less oil than, not gonna really try to compare it, but like, well, the NARS foundation is pulling less glow than that, but that one like has radiance in the title. This just look like my skin. She looks really cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and like finish up my face, put the foundation over here, obviously, okay, obviously. And then highlight, conceal, and stuff like that. We'll be right back with the whole tea on this foundation. We're gonna see what's cooking with them. So now that I got the foundation on the other side of my face, I'm gonna go ahead and highlight with my ColourPop concealer in the shade Deep 70 to see how she performs with another concealer and everything like that, another product under the eye, because that's like a real test. Because sometimes the foundation look good by itself, but as soon as you try to add something to it, it want to move around, it wants to be unfaithful, it want to switch up on you, it want to be like that friend you had in high school, now you're in college, you're doing great, you're trying to elevate in life, and all of a sudden that friend is hating, that friend don't want to be there no more. So she might have to clock out on you. So, you know, we're going to see how she do. We're going to see if she's one of those people. I'm just go ahead and blend her out with my Real Technique sponge, see how she works with others, you know. If she's a nice girl, you know, she can be around others. Can she be friendly? Is she cool, or is she too bougie and she only wants to stand alone? Like, we're just, Let's see how you are, sis. Let's get the real tea. Let's get the real tea on you, sis. Interesting. I know my makeup thing look weird, my dog. Girl. So right now I'm just using my grandma, the Coty Airspun powder to set in my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all that she's a banger. Like, Maybelline, like Maybelline. Bro, I'm gonna go ahead and tell y'all now. The concealer blended out so nicely with this foundation. There's no skipping, there's no patchiness. Like, the coverage of the concealer is there. The foundation didn't move, it didn't do anything crazy. I'm here for it. Like, I'm living for this so far. Like, this looks amazing. Like, I'm sorry, y'all, this foundation got me a little bit emotional, but I'm gonna try to finish this, and then, like, I'm gonna be back. You know what, let's go ahead and get us the full gig of the situation, because I already finished my full face, did everything I could do, brought some dimension, color, and stuff like that back into my face and everything, and highlighted, contoured, nothing broke up. When I went in at the contour and bronzer situation that I do, if you want to see how I do it, I'm gonna have a video on that, so go ahead and watch it. Yeah, down below, or something like that. It'll be around, go to my channel, see it, look, yeah. And I went ahead and highlighted as well. And just kind of finished this look up, added some setting spray. I use my Mario Badescu Rose Water setting spray because it's quick and easy, and it's kind of right there. So yeah, I just use that. And this is pretty much the final look. I think I've had this foundation on for maybe about an hour and a half, 2 hours. And I went and got some guacamole, had a glass of wine, and then some nice. So I've had this foundation on for maybe like 2 hours or so, which is not super, super long time. But so far, I do love this foundation. It looks really, 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 really good. The only flaw that I would say that I'm seeing right now, but it's mostly just because I haven't got my Botox yet, coming soon, okay? 2018, okay? Forehead lines are not cute. It's not doing as bad as other foundations do, where I can see immediately like 5 minutes into application. This is looking pretty good. Everything is looking flawless. All the products that I use on top of it went on super well, blended out super nicely. I think this foundation is a bop. I definitely suggest it for $12. Like, I will pull for this foundation. I see myself wearing this foundation. Again, I'm so glad I bought this. This is really good. Like I said, I'm in the shade 360 Mocha. It's supposed to be 24-hour wear. I don't know who wearing foundation for 24 hours. I'm not doing that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoy me. I'll probably post pictures and links of this makeup look, everything that I'm wearing on my face. Head over to my Instagram and Snapchat. Both are at Worldofzach. My Twitter is Worldofzach1 because I am the one and only, okay, honey. Super corny too. So in case you didn't know that, I'm hella corny. So yeah. But go ahead and follow me on my social medias. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoy me. Feel free to check out the Maybelline foundation. It'll be linked down below. No, this is not sponsored because I mean, like, I'm barely like 1K or something like that. So no sponsorships. Even if I did sponsor, it'll still be 100% real. Okay, do you hear that tea? You heard the tea. You did. So go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys when it's upload. Bye, y'all.